What's going on, guys? Welcome to the video. So today I'm going to show you how to get free and cheap products to your door if you do not live in the United States. Okay, now if you do live in the US, then you're in luck because the rest of my videos are geared towards you. But one of the questions I get asked a lot is, hey, I live in the UK, or hey, I live in India, or hey, I live in France, hey, I live in Canada. Enter any country here, right? And it's like, how can I use, do you know any sites specifically where I can get free products to my door? So I'm going to go over about 7 places that you can go online today to get free products to your door, depending on where you live. We'll cover specifically where those are going to be, right? Now, a lot of these are primarily geared towards UK sellers because out of the people that are in my course, it's either Canadian sellers, the majority of, or UK sellers that aren't in the US, right? I do have some other people from other countries, but that said, I want to kind of primarily gear this towards UK sellers, and because the people from Canada can obviously buy within the US, or if you're anywhere else in the country, you can primarily use a prep center as well, which is what I usually recommend for most people because it's the easiest, right? There are the most sites that I know of specifically, and the most sites probably, worldwide, that you can find free and cheap products and places to buy super high quality inventory for pennies on the dollar, which you can then resell if you leverage the US based sites like I go over, right? So if you live, for example, and I've covered this in many other videos, outside the US in a random other country, you order on these websites to a US prep center who will then either ship it out to the customer and do all the fulfillment for you, or ship it into FBA where then you obviously just manage your inventory from wherever you are on your computer, okay? So first site, we're going to go through them fast. I got a lot of value for you here today. Nice Rebate is the UK version of Nice Discount, right? So Nice Discount is literally the US version where you can go and find free products, which are cashback products. If you don't know what cashback arbitrage is, basically it's a win-win-win. And what I mean by that is it's a win for you because you get the free product. It's a win for the site, so Nice Rebate in this specific example, because they're going to charge the seller to put the products on there, right? So they're getting their money. And the seller wins because they're getting a free sale and potentially a free review from you. So everybody wins. It's a cohesive unit, a cohesive ecosystem, and everybody benefits. So you're not screwing anybody over here. You're going to get the free product, resell it on another platform. So if you live in the UK, maybe that's eBay, right? Or if you live in a different country and you're doing this on a different website, there are specific marketplaces for your country. Obviously, eBay and Amazon are in a lot of marketplaces. If you're getting cashback products from these sites, these are Amazon products, so don't resell them back on Amazon. But you can sell them on your local marketplace because you're getting high quality, cheap products or high quality free products, which you can then list online. And I do this every single day, guys, for free cash flow. So Nice Rebate, check it out. Phenomenal place to get free products to your door if you live in the UK. There's a number of great products here. I don't need to sort through it. You can do that yourself, okay? So the next one is going to be Severnvine. So Severnvine is the UK version of Huns on Vine. A lot like Nice Discount and Nice Rebate, Severnvine is the UK version of Huns on Vine, which is the one that I go over for US-based sellers, okay? So if you live in the UK, you can use Severnvine to get free products and cheap products to your door, which you can then resell online for 100% profit margin. Really hope that helps. It's another great place to check out. Highly recommend that you do so, okay? So the next one is going to be Extreme Rebate. Now, Extreme Rebate is one of my favorite, probably my favorite cashback site. It has ridiculous amounts of deals. It has ridiculous amounts of scale requests. Now, I've claimed 1 million, but I still have 62 left, and obviously I'm level 6 Ultimate. Now, people always ask me, do you have multiple Extreme Rebate accounts? Can you? And my answer is yes, you can, but you probably shouldn't. It's not necessary. You can scale up super fast. You see, I still have 62 remaining, and I claim deals all the time. The way that I was able to scale up super fast, there's 2 ways, right? Especially on Extreme Rebate. Now, you can scale up by simply buying products and reviewing them and ranking your account slowly, which I definitely recommend that you're going to do anyway if you're using this, right? Or you can recommend a friend, right? So if you know a family member, a friend, an acquaintance, an associate, whatever it is, just have them sign up through your referral link, and you can get that in your product or in your dashboard right here. And then they don't even need to buy a product. They just sign up, and then you get extra bonus claims, okay? That's the fastest way to scale. And then literally like 70 every week or so. If you really want to scale it up, I don't recommend going that fast, or at least 70 every month for you. That's 70 free products that you're able to sell. If that's a $5 profit margin, if that's a $10 profit margin, let's do and run some numbers, right? So let's have some fun. Let's say you sell 70 products at a $5 profit margin after all the fees on Poshmark, Mercari, eBay, wherever you want to sell it, right? That's a free 350 bucks you're getting every month from doing this. Let's say you sell them at a $10 profit margin. And obviously for the sticklers out there, yes, you won't sell every item, but eventually they will sell if you leave them there and you're patient and you list high, right? So if you sell them at a $10 profit margin, that's not right. If you sell them at a $10 profit margin, then that's obviously $700, right? So that's a free 700 bucks you're getting just from Extreme Rebate products, not to mention all the other products as well, okay? So if you look at Station right here, obviously ExtremeRebate.com houses the US-based products where you can get a ridiculous amount of free and cheap products. Same thing right here if you go to the UK Extreme Rebate, the Canadian Extreme Rebate, the French and the German Extreme Rebate. So Extreme Rebate, great place to check out. Highly recommend it. It's my favorite cashback site. I mean, just look at some of these examples right here. 70 bucks, you're getting it for free. 70 bucks, you're getting it for free. And keep in mind that you do need to front the money for these, right? So it's not like you're getting a coupon code to get this for free, like the coupon sites, which I will go over here in a second. So what you're going to do is you're going to shell out the 70 bucks for this. Then you're going to get that money via PayPal back to you into your account. And then you're netting a free product because you paid 70, but you're getting 70 back. And then you have a free product to resell that's $70 value, right? If you don't want to spend that much, then go after the cheaper products. There are anywhere from like $5 all the way up to like $150 that I've seen. Great place to find free and cheap products. One of the best ways to do this as well is to use a cashback credit card, because then you don't need to front the money if you don't have the cash flow, right? You can just leverage credit because you know that you're getting that money back. That said, you definitely want to make sure that you are good and responsible with credit. If you can't pay your credit card back, and obviously you should be able to because you're getting all your money back here if you're going after the products that are free. But if you're not responsible, then don't use a credit card. Just work with a debit card and scale up slowly, because I would prefer to recommend you to not use a credit card if you're not responsible. But cashback credit cards are great because you can leverage credit to buy these products and get free products and scale up super fast while making 5% cash back on every single purchase. Two that I recommend, I'll link down in the description. They are the Discover It card and the Amazon Store card. I use them both, and they're going to give you 5% cash back once you activate it on the Discover It card as well. Amazon Store card's automatic. 5% cash back on all Amazon purchases, which is right here. That's going to add up fast and maybe be another 100 or 2 or a couple $100 depending on how much you're spending every single month. And then boom, you claim 70 products here. You're going to sell them back on Poshmark, Mercari, eBay, wherever your local marketplace is, right? While making money on the cashback, and boom, you just netted $1,000 cash flow a month by doing this just from Extreme Rebate. Now, JumpSend is one of my favorite coupon sites. It's phenomenal. It's not as good as it used to be. None of the coupon sites are as good as they used to be because coupon arbitrage has slowly kind of been dying, although it might, a little bit off tangent, it might come back with a vengeance. I'm still keeping an eye on certain things, but I don't want to say that just yet. Still, if you're getting coupon products, just like cashback products, don't sell them back on Amazon. It's not worth risking your account. You're not doing anything wrong. You're allowed to, but it's just not worth the headache that comes with it. If you're getting super cheap products, right, for like $1 that retails for like 20 bucks, then you have practically nothing to lose and literally no risk or very, very low risk. Then you can list those products for full retail price or a little bit higher on sites like Poshmark, eBay, and Mercari, or wherever your local marketplace is, and then flip them for a high profit margin with super low risk. Now, with coupon products, it's also a win-win-win, right? Because the site wins because they charge a seller. You win because you're spending super low money to get these quality inventory with the listing already that you can list, right? And the seller wins because they're getting a sale on their product, which helps rank their product, and they're potentially getting a review, although you don't have to review anything on coupon sites most of the time, and I don't really ever, okay? So here on JumpSend, you can sort through the UK one, and there's free and cheap products to sort through. You can sort price low to high, just like anything else, or discount high to low. It's very, very self-explanatory. Highly recommend that you check it out, and you can get free, sometimes free, but mostly very, very cheap products. And I still source from JumpSend from time to time, and a number of the other coupon sites that I go over, just because it helps supplement my buys. If I'm spending like a dollar literally, and I do this all the time, and resell that back on Poshmark or eBay or Mercari for like 20 bucks or 15 bucks, that's like a free $10 after fees. Why would I not do that for super low risk, okay? And with coupon sites, you're not spending the full retail, right? So you're literally spending what it tells you here on JumpSend because you're getting a coupon code to purchase it at that low price, okay? So general rule of thumb, and you're smart enough to kind of figure it out for yourself what your profit margins are, is just stay above a $10 profit margin. That's going to account for any fees on the platform once you sell it. JumpSend, great place to check out. Now another one, AMZ Blitz, we'll run through these fast. Another UK site right here, you can sort through it. And another German site right here, you can sort through it. Another great place to find cheap and quality products. AMZ One Club, not the best, but I still find products here and there on this from time to time. There's a lot of them here on AMZ One Club. You can sort through them, as you can see. India, Germany, France, UK, Canada. There's a million here. Check it out. Japan, right? So another great place, amz1club.com, okay? Now, finally is Facebook. Now, what a lot of people don't realize is that there's a lot of Facebook groups for literally everything out there, right? And one of those things and niches for Facebook groups is free Amazon products to review, right? So if you literally come to the search bar and you just type in like Amazon review, you can sort through, depending on wherever you live, it doesn't matter. There is a Facebook group that is going to give you free Amazon products for your local Amazon marketplace in 99.9% of cases, right? If you live in freaking, I don't know, Antarctica, maybe you're shit out of luck, okay? But if you don't, chances are there's an Amazon review group where you can go and get free products. Now, it is a little bit, people think it's a little sketchy because like you don't know who these people are and you can't trust them necessarily in these review groups, right? And they work the same as the cashback sites because you're getting a free product, so you're paying full retail. Let's say a product is $20 in this review group. I go into these review groups, I pay $20. The seller sent, and we orchestrate that through a DM on Facebook. I send the person or the seller my order ID, then they PayPal me that to my PayPal, and boom, everybody wins, right? Because they win because they get a free sale and rank their product, or not a free sale, excuse me, but they get a sale and rank their product higher in the Amazon algorithm, and you win because you get a free product to resell on another platform. Again, don't sell these back on Amazon, okay? Now, people always ask me, I don't know these people, I can't trust these people. Why would you do that? Because you have not 99.9%, you have 100% of the power as the buyer on Amazon, okay? You have 100% of the power. So if for whatever reason they dick you around or they don't give you your PayPal refund back, you have so many options, okay? First and foremost, these are the options that I don't recommend that you do because I'm a big believer in karma. So you could obviously file an A to Z claim. You could obviously file or give them bad feedback. You could give them a bad review. You could literally file inauthentic or report it to Amazon and say any of those things to Amazon as the buyer and screw over that seller completely. So just understand, while I don't recommend that you do that, and I would actually tell you not to do that, understand that you have all the power. The second part of that, which I do recommend that you do, is you can always return an item on Amazon within 30 days for your money back, all you have to do is return it and classify it as inaccurate website description, and boom, Amazon will grant you the return and refund your original payment method 100%. So, understand that you always have the power to buy as the buyer on Amazon. These are just a few of the places where you can get quality products for free or very, very cheap if you don't live in the US.